Welcome to our guide on starting a business in Singapore. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Singapore is known for its business-friendly environment, strategic location, and robust infrastructure. Here's why you should consider starting your business here. Before you start, it's crucial to understand the market. Research your industry, competitors, and target audience. Decide on the business structure. Will you be a sole proprietor in a partnership or setting up a Singapore company? Make sure to meet all legal requirements. This includes registering your business name, obtaining licenses and permits. Register your business with the Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority, also known as ACRA. Open a corporate bank account and set up your accounting system. This is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Choose a strategic location for your business. Consider factors like accessibility, cost, and proximity to your target market. Hire the right people to help you grow your business. Make sure to comply with employment laws in Singapore. Finally, launch and promote your business. Use marketing strategies to reach your audience and grow your brand. For expert assistance in setting up your business in Singapore, contact 3E Accounting. Visit 3ecpa.com.sg or email info@3ecpa.com.sg.